this? Come here. Come on. Good girl. Oh, good job. This way. Good girl. Good girl. This way. This way. This way. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good job, guys. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Your friends will show you how. Good girl. Wow, she's fast, man. Linnaeus just showing her how to land in the tree, just like he did with Aesop. You got it. Not back over there. That'd be the wrong way. Come on, little one, you can do it. Whew, look at her go, man. Wrong way. I think she just landed again. All right. Good boy, buddy. He's asking her to come over. That's what that flight was. Come on. I did hear her respond. She can hear him. There she is. Come on. Come on. Come on, little baby. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Hopefully he can show her how to go to a decent branch here. Show her, please. Okay, that's a slight improvement. Can't eat leaves for supper. Come on, little darling. Come here. Here we go. He's like, dude, this is what you have to do. Go follow Linnaeus to the low branches. Time to eat. Yes, yes, yes. Can you at least land in the tree with Linnaeus? Come on. Come on. This way. Well, that's what Aesop did his first time, only like hours earlier. It seems like Linnaeus is, come on! Staying put in that tree, trying to get her to stop landing in that other patch of trees. Come on! You can do it! Alright, Linnaeus, show her what to do. She's very fast, and she turns very fast, too. Like a bullet. Like an absolute bullet. Look at her turn. Look at her turn. Wow. Alright, at least we made it into that tree. Come on. Not back into the tall tree, darling. Oh, that's Linnaeus. She keeps calling, and then I get up and walk over here, and she stops. Linnaeus is getting really tired of your bullshit. This way. This way. This way. Can't see them, unfortunately. You guys still flying out there? Oh my God, they're far. Come on, guys. Come on. This way. Did they land over there? No, Linnaeus wouldn't stay over there like that. Trouble is she didn't follow you, buddy. She's here. She's here. She just has to fly down. I heard her. You're so amazing, Linnaeus. You're so amazing. He's still trying to show this little baby how to come down. Look at him. He's trying so hard. He's showing her. First he tried showing her how to land in the trees. Now he's showing her how to come back to me. No more flying in the field. You gotta come down. Come on, little baby. Don't follow her. Let her come to us this time. Come on, this way. Oh, and here we go. Maybe he can show her how to land on me. Nope, he didn't think she was ready for that. Yes, you want to come get your food? Linnaeus, come eat. Oh! Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. So close. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Yes, good girl! Yes, good girl. Kio's our anchor today. Right, Key? Because training the second baby today, so I really didn't want to introduce more difficulty to my life today. You'll come out another time, Kio. Just not today.